Hi friends, this is a very special episode on the World Daba Festival 5.0 of Pune. This is one of the most sought out festivals in Pune where there are 52 stalls serving some amazing food of Pune and all around the world. So let's come and we'll show you some of the highlights of this amazing food that was served here.
ये घड़ियां सुहानी आई है सब में उमंग ये आई है
Hi friends, this is Sarthak once again on Shadow and My Lane, and today I'm standing at one of the favorite places that I would want to go. दोस्तों बहुत सालों पहले की बात है जब हम छोटे हुआ करते थे, so आइसक्रीम के ऑप्शन बहुत कम थे and there was something really that we wanted to go to, and वो पापा की जेब से पैसे चुरा के या मम्मी से मांग के हम जाते थे खाने बर्फ़ का गोला. हाँ दोस्तों, बर्फ़ का गोला और द लेटेस्ट आइस गोला और whatever names people have given it. आज हम आ गए हैं वही बर्फ़ गोला खाने, one of the most iconic and one of the best places in Pune called the मानसी गोला. और जस्ट आपको थोड़ा सा बताने के लिए हम खाने आए हैं ये, और इसके साथ कुछ और बहुत ही स्पेशल, और लोग याद करेंगे वो काला खट्टा जो कि अभी बन रहा है, लेकिन उससे पहले मैंने ये मांग लिया क्योंकि वो मैं लास्ट चीज़ खाना चाहता हूँ. और क्योंकि जैसे समय बदला है और खाना बदल चुका है, सो देयर हैज़ बीन अ लॉट ऑफ वेरिएशन ऑन द टाइप द गोला इज सर्व्ड. हमारे ज़माने में वही घिस के डंडी पे दे दिया जाता था, लेकिन आज उस गोले का रंग ही बदल गया है, और ये है वो नए रंग जिसमें गोले मिलने लगे. And friends, before the Kala Khatta comes in, I have one of their most iconic and the most sold out product called the Malai Gola. और ये है वो मलाई गोला. This is the ice and we have the malai all around. A lot of roux afza, coconut and a lot of garnishing. And wow, this is really amazing, guys. So, if you want to come to this store, have the Malai Gola and Mansi Gola. See you. So friends, the good part is the owner of Mansi Gola at Pimple Saudagar is a huge Ranveer fan. And he's come up with a very unique Gola called the Deepveer Gola. At the auspicious occasion of the wedding of Ranveer and Deepika. So this is the Deepveer Gola. So guys, if you really want to come and try this, the Deepveer Gola is full of, I think, a lot of stuff. Oh. There's a lot of ice cream, dry fruits, and I don't know what, and it's just spilling over. The Deepveer Gola. Special love to Ranveer and Deepika. This is the Gola dedicated to you. एक और बना देना भाई. Hi friends, the most iconic and my favorite, the Kala Khatta with chaat masala. For me, this is the real Baraf Gola. एंड मानसी गोला इज इंडीड सर्विंग इट. तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको मज़ा लेना है वो बढ़िया रबड़ी के जैसा मानसी गोला, द क्रीम गोला, या द वेरी रॉयल बटर स्कॉच गोला, और यू वांट टू हैव द ट्रेडिशनल बर्फ़ का गोला, दिस इज़ वेयर यू नीड टू बी एट मानसी गोला एट पिंपले सौदागर एट चौपाटी. सो सी यू एट द नेक्स्ट फूड स्टॉल. एंजॉय द गोला माय फ्रेंड्स.
I'm Sagar here, and my brand is called Barbecue and Bullet. The barbecue and bullet are, two words, until which, I cannot live without. So and the third one is of course wife. So first love is barbecue, second is bullet. I just, combine both my passions together, and that is what it is all about. So while riding, I can, get my barbecue along with me, and that was the, that was the idea where it was, come into picture. I was riding in Ladakh, and that was the point when I make sure that next time I'll be riding to Ladakh, I'll be carrying my own barbecue there. So that was the whole passion after it. That's it. Thank you.
तो खींच के लेके जाता था।
You want to have some lovely kebabs, the Kashmiri style. Turn into a part-time.
नौकरी पे रखेंगे क्या मुझे?
मेरे को नौकरी मिल गई है।
आप नौकरी छीन रहे हो?
अरे नहीं
हमें नौकरी से निकाला जाएगा अभी।
मैं आराम दे रहा हूँ आपको। Donate generously and kebabs for free.
Hi, so my name is Hardika. So we are home chefs. We are doing it just for a hobby. I mean, just because we like to cook and make people eat. This is keema cheese sev puri. This is keema, cheese bone and sev puri.
This is the boti kebab, the original Shahi chicken, and the Galauti kebab. So the Galauti kebab, I don't need to travel 1800 kilometers to taste this. Let me. So दोस्तों, जैसा पता है गलाउटी का हिस्ट्री भी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, which I'll share with you. गलाउटी कबाब बने थे नवाबों के लिए, and as you know, नवाब्स of लखनऊ didn't want to work hard और मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते थे, so they wanted something जो मुंह में रखते ही मेल्ट हो जाए. Oh, wow! A little on the chili, थोड़ा chili content ज़्यादा है, but the taste and the flavors of these kebabs are outstanding. They're as close as you would find in Lucknow. So if you really want to have some real Lucknow kebabs, come to this stall and real have the taste of Lucknow. और उस गलावटी के बाद मेरे पास आया है फ्राइड चिकन. The marination is very different. It's more lemony. It's more lemony, and that's the fun. Which is very good. So friends, I keep showing you a lot of videos on food, the lovely food that we eat here and all around the world. But आज हम आ गए हैं for something really very special. I don't know, a lot of you would have heard, but there is something called the Robin Hood Army. and I'm sure you must have seen them around working in your city. It's called the Robin Hood Army, and this is a group of really enthusiastic people, really passionate people who are utilizing the food that normally gets wasted and goes down the drain. So these people, and they are into a lot of other social activities. So today I have the team of Robin Hood Army with me, and we very gladly are associating with them just to bring in a lot of awareness to all of you for a lot of things that we can do as citizens, because a lot of times we don't know where to go, how to approach them, what to do normally with the excess food that we have in parties, or with a lot of food that gets wasted, or for all my friend restaurateurs, for all the food that gets wasted at your place or at different occasions. So friends, this was the World Dhaba Festival, the 5th edition in Pune, which is one of the most sought out festivals, and it was real fun. With about 52 stalls and food trucks, it was a culinary extravaganza, and we had a lovely time and even a better time to bring it to you. We could not get everything this time, but for sure you can go through and enjoy this video. Till the time we see you again at the World Dhaba Festival next year, you enjoy yourself, have fun, and ciao.